Hiya everyone, today I'm only doing a little video. It's just a thank you video because I've been sent another parcel from my friend in Canada. And this, I've got it here. I'm going to do an opening. I'll always show things on camera just in case you're interested. She's lovely, she's called Sarah. And she's got a few things that she hasn't used in her makeup case and she wanted to send us them. They've all come all the way from Canada. Oh wow, right, so we've got quite a lot to go through here and I hope you're excited. I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's go. So I've got a couple of lashes here, which I can't get enough of. Oh, elf. I love elf stuff. So there we go, we've got some elf eyelashes. And someone's having a bonfire. It's lovely out there today. It's just perfect. Oh, lovely. Now, oh, yes. Now, here, look. They're blue, bluey purple. Ardell Colour Impact. I didn't even know they did colourful ones. Enhances brown, hazel and green eyes. Spot on. Excellent. Oh, now look at these ones. These are star lashes. Pink. I used to have a load of weird coloured lashes and then I don't know where they all went when I moved. I lost them all. But that's brilliant. I can do like dressy up looks for you now. Oh, now what's these? So we've got some camouflage cream. I think these are little nails, peel off nails. I'll mess about with them. I haven't got anything like that. I look forward to playing with that. Cosmetic Sanitizer wipes. Good, because there's a few things I want to wipe down. There was a lipstick I found. It's just like a pan one. And I can get that cleaned down lovely as well. And there was an eyeliner and it looked a bit dubious, but I didn't want to get rid of it. So, Cryolin makeup remover wipes. I remember Cryolin. It's more of a, like a... Oh, special effects brand, I think, isn't it? I'm not sure. I think so. Camouflage cream, Dermacolor. I love getting things that are from a different part of the world, like stuff that you can't get in the UK. It's exciting, and I love the idea of anything coming from a different part of the world. And I've never had anything from Canada before. This is the first, so this is really exciting. And oh, look, I like them ones. I've never used these before. I lost my nail as well, look, come off. So I have to get rid of the other ones or it'll look a bit weird. But it is on lockdown, so it doesn't matter. Oh, Sally Hansen. More of these. So we've got colourful ones there. I've never ever tried these before. I can't wait to play with them. I know my sisters have them all the time. And then we've got a little nail file, which I don't have. It's a Sally Hansen one. This is brilliant, thank you. Oh, sponges. Can't ever have enough. I can use these for getting under here and get like a load of cream product. I think you damp these too, don't you? I used to have loads, you know, and I just don't know where they went for that. So that is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. What we've got? We've got another Sally Hansen nail file. Ooh, right, because she said she was going to send some special effects. She used to work for special effects, or she does special effects makeup. And she's got a super colour cream makeup bruise wheel. This is for my special effects videos if I do them. I might do Martin and Jordan up. So we can make them look horrific with bruises. I love playing with cream products as well, I don't know why. I like them better than like matte ones, so that's cool. What we got? Silly Skull. Reusable silicone skull stencil. Oh, Kennedy's makeup. So it's Sarah's. Brilliant. Okay, so what we got? Move any hair away and put this on. I'm going to have to try this out in a video. And what I'm going to do is as well, I'm going to put the details of that there in the video description so you can go and check her out. Oh, I like that. Love that. So it's Silly Skull. We're going to put that in the details so you can go and have a look at it. And I've got some sponge here. I take it that's special effects stuff as well. I keep that. I've never had sponges like that before. I think it is. I don't think it's part of the packaging. Oh, now I love this. Haven't got one of these. Pop some powder on with that. I can put it under my cheek because everyone says you should put stuff under there for when it falls out, and I should. This one is the burn and injury wheel. This is a proper special effects one, isn't it? There we go. So that looks like a grey. Oh, lovely. I can't wait to do Martin and Jordan up, do something at Halloween. Halloween's going to be here soon. The year is flying. Ooh, more lashes. So we've got these ones here. Now I've got no excuse not to put some false lashes on from my looks with yous. I think we've got, yeah, gently peel from the case. Alright, so it hasn't got the, no, like the glue's not included, but I've got some glue. We're going to get these used up. And then we've got this here. Oh, now Demi Wispies are my favourite. I think they're called, yeah, Demi Wispies. Look at that. This is brilliant. They're my favourite because they're more like natural. Now these, they give off a lush appearance, but they're more sparse. But I think it depends on what you want out your look. But I've always had my favourites are Demi Wispies, so this is just ideal. Absolutely ideal. Got more lashes here, I think. Hang on. Yep, more lashes and a couple of more. It's like, wow, never seen them before. Accented edges, never ever seen them before. Brilliant. And another colour, enhanced brown eyes. So these, yeah, these are blue, where the other ones were purple. That's going to be good. Ooh, imitation eyelash, red and black. This is brilliant. I can put, I've got an eyelash drawer. Look, and another one. One. And another one of them. Thank you. And I think there's something in here. What is it? Do I keep that safe? Yeah. It's a little letter. Let's have a look. I think it's a letter, isn't it? Have a look. I keep all the letters and everything. I've got a little box now with everyone's letters. Thank you, Lauren. Look, for everything you do. Zoom, zoom. Lots of loves. Your #1 Canadian fan, Sarah Kennedy. Oh, that's lovely. And I love postcards. Look at that. Oh, I love anything from around the world. That it just, I don't know, there's something about it. It's brilliant. I love that. Absolutely love it. So that's the Goodham building, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I love keeping all these stuff and all. I've got a massive memory box. I keep everything that I get sent. Oh, bless. And just type, there's a nice little letter. I'm going to read that now. And it's crazy to be writing about a crazy pandemic, but that's what's happening these days. Oh, Sarah, I'm going to read that off camera, okay? Because when I read letters, I get a bit emotional. James is going to send us a letter, and he was laughing because he said I'll probably start crying my eyes out. And I says, why? At the size of the box? Because he said a truck's going to need to deliver it. And he says, no, I know what you like at the letters. So I'm going to read that off camera just in case there's something personal in there as well. But I can't thank you enough. Thank you for thinking of us and sending this all the way from Canada. And I know it's took a while because I know when you sent it, you get sent us an email saying that you'd sent it. And it's took a while because obviously everything's going on. But bless you, thank you. Really can't wait to play with these lashes. And I'm going to try the nail things on tonight. I just wish I hadn't have broken this one because it's going to be a bit floppy, isn't it? Because you need a nail, don't you, to put it on. It doesn't matter. I'm going to work it out. I'll work it out. I'm going to have fun. But thank you so much, Sarah. And I hope you have enjoyed my little video. There'll be a few more. Also, I've sorted my Canon out. And you've voted with your feet. You want the Canon because the zoom in option. This is the iPhone. I do love it. I don't know if I should get a lens for this, but there, I'll get a lens for my iPhone and we'll try them both out. But until then, we're going to be filming on the Canon because the quality's all right. I don't feel like you can see as much, so this feels like it's quite inviting where my Canon doesn't. And someone else agreed, but they still love the zoom option, so zoom option wins. And I'm going to be going through some, where have I put it? Look what we've got. I was speaking about these before. I had a big lip gloss box. It's the Lucky Dip lip gloss box. I went through it all. There's some Tarte Cosmetics ones. I found some Paula Dorf cheek colours. I think there's one matte one and cheek. They're all cheek creams. Cheeky creams. I found these in the lip gloss box. No wonder I couldn't find them. All the MAC stuff. And then remember them, juicy tubes. They still smell like what they're meant to smell of. I don't know if I'm going to use them. I don't want to be too old. There's a Bobbi Brown one under there and all. But I'm going to go through this in a different video for you. If you're that interested, let us know. I might have to put some of it in the bin though, because some of it looks a bit funky. And I know someone said if it smells of crayons, it's off. If it smells of vanilla, it's fine. So we're going to go through. But there's like, hey, really, I don't want to get rid of any of the collection stuff. But we'll see. We'll have to go through and get on with it. It's very sad when it happens, but it's got to be done. Because otherwise you don't want to be putting bacteria onto yourself. Definitely not. Anyway, I really hope you've enjoyed. Stay tuned and stay safe. I see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.